Hey, actually, I got some sore throat and pretty exhausted today, so this is just gonna be a really short video. Hey, this is February 20th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 227 of consistently helping people build consistency. Yeah, so this is going to be a really practical video on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, practicing your art, reading some books consistently on a day-to-day basis, or maybe every once a week. So here's the thing. I'm not going to be giving you guys some motivation. One is that because I don't think like I'm on a position where I can give you guys motivation. And I mean two, like I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about, the motivational stories about, famous person A, famous person B, but yet here you guys are still struggling to be consistent at doing positive things, right? Even after all the motivation that you guys have received, right? And to be honest, I actually also struggle with being consistent. That's one of the biggest reason why I also create these videos to remind myself. So here's the really practical guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing something. Instead of just, watching motivational videos, as I've mentioned, like motivational stories, right? And just maybe get motivated for like 5 minutes, full of hype up, really hype up, and want to change my life, blah 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 blah. But then just forget about it 10 minutes later and basically do nothing about it. So instead of that usual story of getting motivated and then not doing anything once the motivation has gone, the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to pick that one motivational video that really resonates with us. So that it's that one video that every single time we just listen to that video, we just watch that video, we kind of feel like there's something inside of us that wanted to change. So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is every single time we wanted to be consistently doing our exercise, consistently doing our studying, before we exercise, we watch that video. Before we study, we also watch this video. So basically, the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to integrate watching the video as a routine, as a part of the exercising itself, as a part of the of studying itself. So by doing this thing, we are actually increasing our probability to actually do the thing at that particular day, and also on the long run, right? Why? Because every single time we watch that motivational video, we are going to be feeling motivated, right, to actually do something about our life. The motivation isn't going to be there every single time, every single day. So the thing that we are trying to do here is that we are trying to deliberately motivate ourselves with the video, right? Because, we realize that this video can evoke our emotions, right? So even even if we have watched this video before we study, before we exercise, and we still don't feel like we are being motivated to actually do the thing, that's still going to be okay because the probability of us actually doing the thing is still going to be higher because even if we don't feel like we are motivated, we are feeling motivated to do the thing, we are going to be having some sense of obligation, right? We are going to be having some sense of, oh yeah, I'm responsible to take care about my life because like I don't want to waste my life and just like not do the thing that this motivational video told me about. Like one life and blah 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 blah. So that's how you actually make the probability of you actually do the thing consistently, do the exercise, do the studying consistently, using motivational videos, and just basically watch motivational videos every single time you wanted to do your thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. And yeah, for the date authenticity post for today's video, Meme Czar posted a microwave post last 24 hours.